What is up, everybody? This is FNH here with a brand new video talk about Zhiyun. I believe I'm pronouncing it correctly. So I have actually bought a gimbal. So it's an iPhone stabilizer tripod, essentially, in a better sense, if you want to go from there. It's actually a smartphone stabilizer. So essentially, just so if you guys don't know, most YouTubers or just in general vloggers or whatnot, or if you want to make it like a good video, I should say, I personally just seen YouTubers use it, but I'm sure other people have as well. You essentially put this on your phone, you plug it in like this, just like a similar you would with a tripod, and the thing is, you will have absolutely no shakiness or anything. This stabilizes the whole platform. And you're going to see later on in the video of what I mean. I'm going to test it out to show you guys like a with and without pieces, but overall, just to show you, this is essentially for you to be able to stabilize your phone. And these are fairly expensive, but I was able to buy something on Amazon and I got it at a decent price. This is for $120. For cameras, they usually go for like $400, $500, $600, $700, even to thousands of dollars. But for phones, you can get it at a significant cheaper price. And this one was the best value. It had a good reviews, and I'm gonna basically unbox to show exactly what's in it. And I'm going to do another video, completely different video, on a tutorial on how to set it up and make it balance. Because if you see here, you have to like essentially make this balance so it stays in one place. But I am going to show you a before and after video of me just with my phone and running without it, and then me with it running with it, and then just essentially go from there. So let's get right into it. So I'm going to unbox it. Again, all the links will be in the description below for you guys. So let me just... Alrighty, that's pretty cool. I just unboxing it right now to show you guys. Alright. Ooh, that looks very slick and sleek on the inside. Let me just pull it out. Oh, God. Come on. I can do this. It's not coming out. Damn, I suck at this stuff. I do not want to break the box. I apologize. I'm like ripping the box. It's like not coming out. Okay, I got this. This was a struggle. All right, we have it. Freaking hell, that took way too long to come out. And it came with a CD. I don't know what this is. Or it looks like a CD pack. Let's open this. So I believe it's a quick start guide, so that's fine. It just tells you how to set it up, what needs to be done, quality, certificate, all the good stuff. Oh, that's pretty cool. All right, I'm gonna put this to the side for now to unbox this. Oh, beautiful. That looks beautiful. Okay, so just to see all the different pieces, we have our wire. I'm going to start with the smallest one. We have our wires. It's a USB-C cable to be able to charge it, because this does get charged. And it has a battery life of about 10 hours, I believe. Just to show you all the different pieces. This is the bottom piece where you can essentially a tripod. So you can essentially put, again, it is essentially a tripod as well. You can just have it put down as a tripod, or you can just hold it. And that's what we're going to be doing to walk around with it. Oh, I apologize for doing that. See, if I had the gimbal, this wouldn't have happened. Aha. That's the poison. I'll eat it later. And here's the gimbal itself. Oh my lord, this is intense. I am going to put this to the side to show you. So it's freaking just like going everywhere right now. I'm gonna try to plug this in. Oh yeah, so you can actually install any tripod here. You don't have to use theirs. So you can use a bigger one. You can use the ones that get extended, like similar to what I have, like, well, what my phone is currently on recording with. So as you can see, so it comes, again, you turn it on, it has a battery feature, it has this charging capability feature here as well. You put essentially your phone over here, you have it connected over here. I believe this opens up as well. Let me see if I can figure out how to. There's stabilizers over here. It's like moving a lot, so I'm trying to figure out how to. Oh, sorry. So you actually open it up on its own. So it just opens up automatically with your fingers. So you essentially just put your phone and it'll lock in. Again, that's why I said I personally have an iPhone, as you know, but any phone can work in this. iPhone X, Samsung Galaxy. Those are the top two that come in my mind. So basically what you will most likely be vlogging with is either an iPhone or a Galaxy. This will work. Again, other phones do work with it as well. but those are the top two I can think of in my head. So all the features over here. So this is a Bluetooth thing. It does connect to your iPhone, so you can be able to press record from here. You won't have to like press the phone to record. You can essentially have it pressed over here. You can set up the lightings as well. It connects. It takes a picture as well. It has all the different features over here, and I believe you do need to like set up the gimbal for beforehand, which I will again make a completely different video on how to do it and whatnot. But again, you have the menu portion here as well. It goes to the menu, and I believe display, I guess that's for the display button. It has all the different pieces here. I believe volume as well, the flash, the turning it on. I don't know what PFNL is, but yeah, this is overall the gimbal itself. I wanted to give you like a good overview of how it looks like, what exactly it is, how it can be used and utilized per se, and yeah, just go from there. The next portion of the video, I'll do a test drive of one without it, me running, I guess, outside, or I'll see where to run, and one with me with the gimbal to show you how the difference in the quality is essentially from with and without it. So stay tuned for that. What is up, guys? So this is me testing out the iPhone without the gimbal. Yeah, basically, as you can see, if I make some movements left to right, up to down, the iPhone, this is the iPhone XS, so it does have like good image stabilization, but obviously we're going to test it out with the gimbal as well and see how it goes over there, and you'll see that shortly. So guys, this is actually me with the smooth stick right now, so the Zhiyun smooth 4 stick, and this is the gimbal basically, and as you can see, it's actually moving fairly well. I have it on pan follow mode. There's different modes, like this is lock mode. I'm actually moving it around completely, but it stays locked in one position. I believe there's like a complete follow mode as well. So yeah, see that one just like it locks at that position, and I can complete it and lock it. As you can see, I believe if you double press the back button, it goes back. I suck at this, trying to make it work. Okay, yeah, got it to work. Yeah, this is pretty damn cool. But yeah, there's all these different modes that you can see. As you can see, I'm trying to do, I'm just messing around with them right now. I'm still trying to get the hang of it, but as you can see, like it works perfectly fine. It's not giving you like any issues right now. It's actually goes, yeah, so it was double tapping it, so you can see it's moving fairly closely. You can see them literally like side by side, how well it was working, how well this one is currently recording. This is pretty damn impressive. I'm gonna do another tutorial on like exactly how to work with this, but pretty cool. So I'm basically back at my computer desk now. I'm just messing around. I just seen the video myself as well. It's extremely impressive. You guys are gonna obviously see. I feel like you're gonna be extremely impressed with this. I am extremely impressed with it. I'm actually very like holy crap, this is so cool. But no, this is a very impressive device. I would highly recommend you guys checking it out. The link is in the description below. If you're looking for like vlogging or travel vlogging, or in general, like you're gonna be vlogging outside, not at home per se, this is perfect. Like if you're just doing it at home, a regular tripod works. I've tried it, you've seen my reviews. The tripods work perfectly fine. But if you're doing it with like these, this is definitely much more better, more capable. It's extremely impressive. The results have wowed me, honestly. I'm going to make another video on how to like, fully utilize this. But definitely check it out, man. But yeah, overall, if you guys definitely like this video, give it a thumbs up. It helps a lot. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell. Other than that, FNH out. Peace.